here. Your matter was not a fresh matter.
My lord, my matter was not a fresh matter.
Correct.
When it was disposed of, but
Correct.
at one point in time, my lord, it was a fresh matter. It was filed as a fresh case.
Ayo, past you are going.
My lord, for past
Arey,
1 year.
chodo, madam.
My lord,
Now, if this IA has not come up, no problem. If there is any other grievance, you move the Honorable Chief Justice. Madam. I will not pass any order. I will not pass any order that should be a decision of which should be taken by the Honorable Chief Justice.
My lord, there is no requirement of any decision per se, my lord. There is already existing SOP which holds field today. As per the latest roster notification, my lord, wherein the present jurisdiction has been decided, that notification also reiterates the same SOP, my lord. And there is no good justification in my respectful submission for not following what the mandate of the notification is. If there is any difficulty with the registry, my lord, not just this, the High Court rules also provides a mechanism for listing of the matters and preparation of 3 different lists, my lord.
Yes,
Nothing
ma'am.
is followed.
No
And the
problem.
consequence is this, that for a small matter, fresh matters filed in any other High Court, my lord, is placed on board.
Every High
after a
Court is
certain-
unique, madam. Can't help.
My lord, I am making a suggestion pursuant to an SOP which is passed
We'll
in
see,
this,
madam.
this
Yes.
High Court, my lord.
Morning, there are 500 memos moved.
My lord,
So I should stop taking memos from tomorrow, according to you, because every 4th day it will be auto listed, correct? That is what you are suggesting. From tomorrow, I'll stop taking memos.
My lord,
You
half an hour
tell the
is
councils.
wasted. Half
Yes.
an hour, not shorter period, my lord. 20,
No, madam.
5 minutes
No.
usually wasted on
What to
deciding
do?
as to
What to do?
as
We'll
whether-
stop taking memos from tomorrow.
My lord, that's what the notification says, my
Madam,
lord.
you are,
That's
see,
that's
you are,
what-
you are
my
a
lord,
counsel, you are a counsel practicing in Delhi High Court or in Delhi. You do not know the problems of the court here. Every day 500 memos are moved. If I don't take the memos and say I will not take memos from tomorrow because there is a petition filed by you, an application is filed, don't take memos, it will come after 4 days.
my lord,
Who will bear the brunt?
My lord, I have considered that aspect also. My lord, it is not that every single memo is to be moved in court.
I think you should talk to the president of the association,
My lord,
directing
they-
them to stop,
My lord, all those
stop
consider-
moving memos.
My lord, all those considerations must have been taken care of while laying down the SOP, my lord.
Yes, madam.
The SOP says only in case of urgent cases, when there is urgency requiring listing within 4
That is
days.
why urgency every day is there, madam.
My lord, urgency justifying listing within 4 days should be the cause for moving the memo. Otherwise, there is no occasion for
I'm
anyone-
afraid that no, any order can be passed. Let's not deliberate upon this. If you want me to pass an order on the IA, I will pass an order on the IA. You can take
My
it.
lord, for as on date, my lord,
Yes,
there is
madam.
no occasion for me to approach the Chief Justice.
Yes, madam.
Already under the authority
There is
of
no
the Chief
occasion
Justice.
for me to pass an order on the IA for direction filed by you because there is no occasion for you to approach the Chief Justice.
My lord, my grievance is that for this matter also,
Yes,
I had to move several memos, my lord.
No problem.
Once
It
it is
happens,
pending-
madam.
My
Can't
lord,
help.
we can
Every day,
look at
every
the
day
SOP.
councils come and say, yes, this is the 3rd time, this is the 4th time. So from tomorrow, I'll stop taking memos. Should I stop taking memos from tomorrow? Your suggestion results only in that.
My lord, my submission.
No, madam.
That only urgent memos may
No,
be.
no, no, madam. Councils of this High Court, we know, according to the urgency of the councils of this High Court, we will do it. Council, you don't practice here and you can't say that SOP should be followed. No memo should be taken before the court. Urgency should not be shown by the councils. No, madam, that's not.
My lord, urgency should be shown.
Yes, they show urgency, they move the matter.
My lord, I'll justify.
As-
my lord.
as simple
My
as
lord,
that.
I'm bona fidely making a suggestion. If your lordship is not inclined to entertain,
No, I'm
it,
not.
That's completely fine. my
People
lord.
of this bar will suffer, madam.
My lord,
You
my
want
lord,
the people of this bar to suffer?
certainly not.
Advocates
my
of this bar to suffer?
My lord, it will facilitate. My lord, we can have look at the SOP. It has taken care of.
It is here, madam. I have it.
My lord, this is not the SOP, my lord, which is being referred to. My lord, the SOP is Annexure 2. My lord,
Madam,
we can have it.
SOP is there. Auto listing will automatically come in certain cases in the next 4 days. Where it is not come, people will move. The effect of your statement will be implementing this true, but not to take any memo. That will end in chaos.
Then, my lord,
And the problems of this bar, madam, you can't, sitting in Delhi, you can't assess the problems of this bar.
my lord, I understand.
Then
My lord, I
what,
understand.
madam?
My lord, may
Ask anybody, if I tomorrow stop taking the memo, what it will be? Ask anybody. Shall I stop taking memos from tomorrow, accepting your submission? The problems of this bar will be known only by this bar. Your application was not put up, confine yourself to your application, close, finish. That's all. I am not going to trouble the advocates of this bar, madam.
association to
Yes,
take a call.
that is what, this is not,
Stop this.
no madam. Your case, आपका case नहीं आया था, no problem, आज आया है, passed an order, no problem. But the direction to say that SOP should be implemented, fourth day it should come, no other way it should be there, is, one thing is, that will be the job, order of the Honorable Chief Justice. And there will be chaos in the bar if I don't take. You ask anybody, should I stop taking memos from tomorrow?
My lord, I never.
And what, madam?
For that suggestion, my lord, I just wanted to make
No, no, madam, that's not.
If your
I
lordship
am,
is not inclined.
no, not inclined, Allah. It is,
Fine, my lord.
first
I
thing, two things, madam, two things.
Please.
The problem of this, see, senior counsels are all here, Ravi Shankar illa idaralla. The problems of this bar knows. Memos, if I don't take and the matter urgent listing will not be done, or 4 days, 5 days it doesn't get listed, they definitely move a memo. Should I stop taking the memo? Next thing is, you are intermittently coming here and practicing. It's not that you know, every day you are here, you are from Delhi, you know, your Delhi bar you should know. Karnataka bar, how can you know? It's not.
The issue is not with the bar, my lord. I just wanted to bring it to your lordship. Noted, I have done that, my lord. If your lordship feel that it is not feasible,
It's
to
not.
implement, and-
It's a
and my
discretion
lord-
here. I am going to exercise. How is it, madam? How I am telling you, if I listen to you and pass an order from tomorrow, no memo can be
I
taken.
may make a
Lords,
suggestion.
may I
my lord.
just say this? On behalf of the members of the bar, our grievances are always put forth by the association. To the Honorable Chief Justice, we meet, committee meets, they put forth their grievances, it is looked into. There are several aspects. So now we are only wasting time in a, Lords, this is not a public interest here. What my learned friend wants to
Exactly, I
canvass here.
said, go before the Honorable Chief Justice and
There
tell
are
the
people
Honorable Chief.
waiting here.
Millard may allow this application, dispose of this application, if I may make a suggestion, that it may be treated as a representation to the registrar judicial.
No, I will not do anything like that. You can give an independent representation. I am not going to pass any order on the IA for direction that you have filed to implement the SOP, which will result in me not taking any memo.
Millard, not any memo, Millard.
Then what?
It doesn't say that.
Then what, madam?
It doesn't say
If
that.
the result is that, it doesn't say that. But
Millard-
tomorrow if I stop, say auto listing only, it will come up. No memos will be entertained.
Millard,
How will
what-
that be?
Millard, there is a notification. I'm not asking for anything new, Millard.
I am aware of the notification, madam. It is a discretion of the court. We are handling the court. We'll handle the court. It is running peacefully. What is wrong? Your matter did not get listed for some time. That doesn't mean that the process is wrong.
To my matter, the bar has also raised this issue, Millard.
Where?
And
You are representing the bar? Which bar has raised the issue and you are representing, come get the,
Bar is represented by the association.
no, madam, don't.
Please.
Your lordships have been too kind, giving too much of patience for this matter. Whatever grievances, let them go to the Advocates Association.
Association.
Let us give it to the association, and your lordship
But
cannot
may I-
decide this IA at all. I think your lordship should not decide.
Morning,
this.
I'm telling you, you can't decide this IA.
Millard may consider passing orders
No,
tomorrow.
your
On
lordship,
what? No, I'm
lordship
not.
can't pass any orders on
Well, it's
such
may
an
decide.
application.
Then Millards
It
may.
can
may
come in its
recognize
usual course then.
effect.
That I.
Millard may pass orders, whatever your lordship is willing to pass. Millard, with bona fide interest, Millard, with bona fide.
Madam, you need not show bona fide interest to the people of the bar here. The association will take care of it. And any SOP or any memos, tomorrow I'm telling you, if this is implemented, it is impossible to take any memo.
Millard, I leave it to your lordship.
Then what is this, madam?
Millard, I leave it.
It's not the way. I thought there is some serious SOP that you have told. This is SOP I have.
Even for a pending matter, Millard.
And you are telling in every high court it comes. You can't compare that, madam. In every high court it comes. In this court, problems of the court are they are unique to each court,
The
madam.
notification which is in force and which is issued under the authority of the Honorable Chief Justice, Millard. Anyway, Millard, I'll leave it to your lordship. Millard may kindly dispose of the IA. And Millard, the difficulty is that on the previous occasion on Friday, your lordship gave a certain date, Millard.
It has come today.
Millard, that matter is now posted for 16, despite the fact
Which
that
one?
your lordship gave
Which
date
one?
on
Which one?
2nd.
Which one?
Millard, item 90 on Friday, your lordship would recollect that on that day your lordship gave date for next week. But despite
It's
that,
2/7.
Millard, it is
Madam,
being
it
reflected
is.
on the case status as
It is
16/7.
in the system. In the system, it is showing 16/7. Order sheet is uploaded. It is 2/7. You don't want to look into the order sheet and want to look into the system and tell?
I checked the case status. I
Please do
spoke to
that.
madam, then it has been
Please do.
rectified.
Yes, madam.
It has been rectified in the
Yes,
afternoon.
madam. Yes,
My lord, may consider disposing of the item.
Yes,
my lord. Lovely.
yes. I will dismissed. Yes. Not disposed, dismissed.
No,
Yes.
public.
Barkoli, the petitioner has preferred,
My
the,
lord, the respondent number 2.
the respondent has preferred an application seeking a direction for implementation of an SOP, SOP which is said to be in existence. This court cannot issue such direction for implementation as direction for implementation. It should be done by the appropriate channel. In that light, the application stands rejected.
My lord, my
Huh?
lord, one small clarification.
In that,
No, my lord, not pertaining to that.
Then?
My lord, in all previous orders, my name is being reflected with prefix Srimati. Same
oh,
is
Miss
rectified
Nisha
to
Tiwari. All right, madam. We'll change it.
My lord, my apologies.
That clarification definitely will.
My lord, my apologies, my lord.
Yes.
I bona fide.
No, madam, the thing is,
But I may not have been able to understand.
no other member of any other bar can understand the problem of the Karnataka bar. It is unique to us. We are from here, we understand the bar, and we try to do something that moves the system smoothly. Any other method that is brought in by the Honorable Chief Justice, we will definitely follow. But the discretion of the court to take the memo and not to take, directing not to take the memo and follow the SOP will be catastrophic, which I definitely will not. I will not stop taking the memos because somebody will have urgency, grave urgency, whatever it is. As far as possible, according to what I can take, I am taking the memos. That's all. Your matter did not get listed on 2-3 occasions. That doesn't mean the system is wrong. Yes.
Well, it was not intended for that. It was
That's all
intended
right.
to
Yes.
facilitate.
Yes, yes.
Public.
Further hearing 125.
Smart. Ah,
Your Lordship, the other counsel is. Yeah. it is. Your Lordship, subject to what your Lordship says.
I have not said anything.
No, I'm saying after that, if the other petitioner could start, your Lordship,
Problem, sir.
that the other. Oh, you also. Oh, okay, fine.
No, other problem, sir, it was appearing. Where is he?
Probably Naudki sir is appearing in the matter. My lords, he is we are seeking for a short adjournment.
He was here.
Yes, my
See,
lord.
he's here. Yes, you start, madam.
We'll just address argument.
He's not there. Yes. Yes.
The AR in my case was readmitted again in the hospital and therefore.
Sorry,
Your
who
Lordship,
was?
But I don't want to take time. We want to start, your
Whose
Lordship,
hospital is?
The advocate on record, Mr. Akash. On the last
What?
occasion.
Last occasion you mentioned
Yes,
was
now
my-
he's readmitted with a complication, so it is worsened, so.
Oh.
And that is why I thought if they could start and.
Well, get
the-
trouble.
Lords, in
Where
this
is problem,
connected
sir?
matter, we have
Where is he?
my lords, there is some personal inconvenience for the advocate who appears in the matter, my lords. That's the reason. A week's time maybe.
Then I'll hear the respondent and hear you later.
Please.
Just to be brief, I just made a short synopsis.
Yes. Avargon copy ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. But you have no advocate on record now, madam?
His colleague is.
Idara.
Your Lordships may kindly see annexure A is the impugned, my lords, at page 30A. In this, the impugned communication, my lords, that is WP number 12987 of 2025. my lords. That is only a request was made to the department, my lords, as to what is the price between smart meter and electrostatic meter. We have given the details as to what is the price difference. We have, by way of statement of objection, we have stated the petitioner is an existing connection. The rule applies only for new connection and temporary connection. Therefore, the petitioner need not take a fresh take this smart meter. So therefore, my lords, the petition tries to create a cause of action by seeking a letter and just on the basis of a price difference, my lords, has sought to file this petition. Annexure R2, my lords, I'll just read out the representation given by them. I'm writing to inquire about the cost of regular static meter and smart meter cost for 3-phase for my newly constructed house. Hence, could you please provide me the cost of regular static electric meter, smart meter?
Last time argue ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Just to show, I produced document to show this is not a new house, old house with an existing meter.
ಅದೇ you went and inspected.
Please, my lord, that found fault with. So therefore, my lord.
So ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ you'll go and inspect ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ.
Allah, we understood for the way the petition is drafted, my lord, is a public interest petition came to be filed, identical to which a writ petition is also pleading everything is.
Which was the first PIL or this?
PIL was first, my lord.
What is the date of the PIL?
The date of PIL is, my lords. Now, Your Worship, can you take page 3 of my list of dates, my lords?
Page 3.
Page 3, my lords. Serial number 1, 19/4/2025, writ petition number so and so was filed before the division bench. On 24th April 2025, give me that. A letter to respondent to inquire about the cost of the meter.
Oh, 19/4 is the PIL. Is it?
PIL, my lord.
26/4 is the present petition.
Present petition, my lord. Court copy. Your Lordship may kindly see the document which was given to your Lordship on 19th June 2025, my lord. Court officer, comparative chart on 19th June, court is there. 19th June, I'd given a in WP number 12987. For ready reference, I've got one more copy, my lord. I'll just give that.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Just court of. This is this. Your Lordship may kindly see the following is a table chart showing the copy pasted part similarities.
PIL ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತನಾ?
Identical. Your Lordship may kindly see WP number 19264, that is before your Lordships, my lord. And the next two is PIL. Prayer is CND, same CND, guidelines of guideline 1 of operation guidelines. The para 2 is similar, para 7 is identical to para 2, para 8 is identical to para. So to show, my lord, this is nothing but abuse of process of court. Petitioner is not